and today we're going to be making a custom design using our dress form. So pretty much I had this idea for this structure you see here, and I used some ribbon to drape it on this form and use some muslin and all that stuff, cut it out, sew it together, voila, this is what we have. And I know that all sounds either complicated or very simple, but either way, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So if you're interested in seeing how, please keep watching. As you can see, I used ribbon to kind of create a stencil for my pattern so that when I'm drawing through the muslin, I can see exactly what each piece should be shaped like. So I'm going to put my muslin on top and pretty much go piece by piece and trace around the ribbon to get each pattern piece I need for my entire look.
Why?
Last minute, I decided to add an extra piece for the back just so it fits more, snug whenever I create the actual pattern with the actual fabric. So I just added another piece of ribbon in between that, and I'm going to continue doing the same thing I did for the front two pieces with my muslin. Once I'm done drafting the pieces, I'm going to cut them out following the lines that I drew to create the shape of each pattern piece. Using scrap fabric, I cut out my pattern pieces on it and left a little seam allowance around each piece so that when I sewed it together, it would still have the same measurements. Once my pieces are cut, I'm going to go ahead and face them right sides together and do a straight stitch along the front seam, and making sure I snip the round part of the seam, which is at the top of the shirt, and I'm going to do that to the third and fourth piece as well. Once everything is sewn together, I put it on my dress form and it fits perfectly. It literally lines up with the ribbon exactly how I traced it. This is the best way to draft a pattern and test it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.